Welcome to the Discord. Congratulations on joining one of the cheapest Discords out there. As you can see, I'm just going to show you Discords that I've joined personally. I joined this guy's Discord. He charges 100. The $30 starter plan wasn't even there. This is new, but this guy charges 100 a month. Zip Trader U, he charges I think 800, but it's like one time fee. But he doesn't really, does he even communicate in his Discord? I'm in his Discord, but I don't really use it. It's kind of you don't really get to talk to him. Let me put it that way. This guy Moon Market, he charges what, 50. So I'm just showing you, like, what's out there, 60. So I'm one of the cheaper ones out there, 50 a month. And I mean, look, you're gonna get some value out of me. I've been there. I've been where you are right now. I've had to work my way from not knowing what I'm doing, jumping around from Discord to Discord, to finally finding, like, my home, finally finding, hey, I think I found what works for me. And so here we go. We have the Ultimate Membership, which is what you joined, and you are going to get personalized alerts and a personal video for you, talking about what I think you should do based on your goals and account size. And of course, exercising patience and discipline is everything. That's why this is in big letters, like patience and discipline. If you don't got that, you're just going to keep losing money. I actually had one guy today who bought in. I don't know why he did this, but he bought in on RR, and he sent me a message saying RR dropped so hard. And you can see he's in the red, 189 euros. And I told him, I'm like, what are you talking about? I talked about this one at 220. You're not supposed to chase. I gave a chart and even told people, hey, buy down here, right at the bottom. There's red candle, buy the dip here. There's potential for 20% or even 46% gains. And for some reason, this guy, I told him, I'm like, don't chase next time. You should be in the green. You should have made at least 20%. But, I don't know what that guy was smoking. But like, you got to stay on top of the game, man. You can't if you're staying on top of everything, you will make money. If you're doing your own thing and not paying attention, you're gonna lose money like this guy. Like, someone in my Discord dumped it on him, essentially, which is pretty funny now that I think about it. So exercise patience, discipline, and pay attention. Okay, you're gonna get exclusive Patreon videos, access to the trading course and trading book early, which I'm working on those right now as we speak, and access to the trade tracker where you can see exactly what trades I am in for full transparency. Which, if you go to Zip Trader U, you don't got. I don't think he even trades himself. I don't think so. I've never seen anything from him, quite frankly. But I got skin in the game, so that's what makes me good. Let's go into the Discord itself. In the Discord, you have the alerts room. The alerts room is exactly what you would expect. That is where I personally alert when I will be buying or selling the stock that I'm in. So, for example, I bought RGTI, alerted it at 300 shares of RGTI at 13.85, then dumped it at 14.30, bought 100 shares of Sound stock at 1592, dumped it at 1620 before it dumped. Like, RGTI and SoundHound went down actually quite a bit. So I dumped it at the right time. I recognize, like, oh, let's get out of here. This doesn't look good. And yeah, you can just see I just keep telling everyone, hey, I'm buying this, I'm buying that, I'm selling here. And that's what you want to pay attention to if you want to jump into the same trades I jump into. So far, I have a 100% win rate, have not lost. So far, so good. And right now, the biggest play is Nvidia, because it's literally, what, $30 off. It's still cheap. Anyways, pay attention to the alerts room if you want to make the most money and have the highest win rate possible. That doesn't mean I'm not going to lose. I'm sure I'll lose one time this year, but pretty high win rate, right? Let's continue here. The poker table is important. That is where we talk stocks. We don't talk about anything else other than stocks. If you talk about anything other than stocks, you don't get banned, but you will get timed out. And if you do it again, you get banned. Like, this is serious. This is a business. You're here to make money. The poker table. Take a seat, know when to hold them and when to fold them. Know when to walk away and stay in the game. You gotta know when to walk away from the markets and go, you know what? Today's looking ugly. Just gonna stay away from it. Not gonna force myself to try to make money. And sometimes you look at the market and you go, you know what? I'm gonna stay in the game. I see opportunity here, and you'll make money. You gotta know when to dump them, when to hold them, and when to fold them. I folded those RGTI and SoundHound shares, and for good, it was good. Yeah, you saw how much RGTI came down. So gotta know when to hold them, when to fold them. Take a seat, relax. You got your drink there. Let's have some fun. Let's make our money. But this guy he was just asking some weird questions, and I'm like, bro, you're timed out. Get out of here. We're here to make money, not waste my breath on nonsense. Next time it's a ban. Like, we're here to make money. The poker table is not for joking around. We're here to make money. We're here to talk stocks. So that's where you want to be if you're serious. Like, you got to treat it like a business because it is. And it's a business where you ain't trying to lose money. So too many people treat it like a casino, unfortunately. So if you're serious, the poker table and alerts is where that's you should be paying attention to both of those. Okay, let's move on here. I also have a general chat for people who just want to. Here you can joke around all you want. I don't care. Here you can, whatever. I don't care. As long as you don't strip. Like this one guy in my Discord, he posted a video of himself stripping for some reason, and I had to ban him. He's back, but he's banned from chatting. So, just to keep it PG, right? If you're gonna flirt with someone, keep it between messages. There you go. I've had to ban like 3 or 4 people. So I don't know, man. There's just some weirdos out there. It happens. So as long as you're cool and you really just stick to here alerts and the poker table, it's gonna be hard to lose. Let me put it that way. As long as you're again paying attention, because that one guy, like I said, he wasn't paying attention. He was just like, I guess I'm just gonna jump in, and he wasn't paying attention to the plays that I was dropping in the poker table. I'm at the poker table and I'm telling you, hey, this is looking good. You might want to hold them, and then I'll tell you, hey, you might want to fold them because you're gonna make some money and it's about to start coming down. Like that's where you want to be. General chat, that's you can just mess around. I don't care. The trade tracker is where I reveal all of my positions and I update them weekly. And you can just click on the links and you'll see like, oh, this guy Shades, he's in Riot stock, he's in Silver stock, Nvidia stock. I have a whole bunch of Nvidia stock. Even sold 3 puts, which expired, and I made a nice 156 monies. But yeah, like I said, Nvidia is like the biggest play, and you can see I got in at 120s. A lot of people got into 120s with me, and we're holding for 150 plus because it's easy money, my friend. Stag stock as well, another big play. I have a ton of that, and it's really just Stag, and really it really just is Stag and Nvidia right now. Those are the big plays. But you can see exactly like when I got in, when I got out, total profit. As of right now, I think the biggest moneymaker is going to be Nvidia stock. Probably because it just got so cheap that I just couldn't say no, and I've just been buying. Okay, so that's the trade tracker, which, like I said, other discords aren't even going to have that transparency. I don't. Some people don't even. They're good at yapping on YouTube. They're not actually good at trading. Let me put it that way. And their Discord reflects that because they usually don't trade. They just talk about, oh, this looks good. No, that's not a knock on Zip Trader U, but I've never seen him trade, so he's good at talking. You know what I'm saying? Patreon exclusive videos. You can just click on these and take a look and see like, oh, today I'm going to learn how to not sell early, and you can just scroll and see there's a whole bunch of them. How to use the QQQ calls MACD strategy, 200 WMA strategy, all kinds of strategies here. Those who pay attention and actually watch the videos and focus on the poker table and alerts, it's just going to be very difficult to lose. It really is. But I've noticed a lot of people join and they're just kind of mindlessly like jumping around. So, yeah, they win and they lose some because they're not fully, again, they're not treating it like a business. They're not serious about it. And right now, the ones that are being successful are the ones that are like going after it. That's what I've noticed. That's just going to happen. Trading course and book and development, they will focus on fundamentals, MACD trading, 200 WMA trading, and proximity trading. Release date to be determined, but I am currently writing that. And here you can see I have some strategies written down and a bunch of Word documents and a Google Drive free PDF books and cheat sheets. And then, of course, the YouTube here. So you can see, like, hey, go check out this guy or go check out my video, whatever, trading song, whatever the case may be. And the disclaimer, of course. So there you go. Uh, really, it's the poker table and the alerts. And you really do have to, if you want to succeed, you gotta go to the Patreon exclusive videos and really watch all those videos because that's how you're gonna know. Like you're gonna be able to understand. Like, oh, I see why Shades bought. Because in this video, he talked about why he did this and why he's gonna do it again and rinse and repeat, right? Because once you find a strategy, it's just about doing the same thing over and over again. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if people understand what I'm trying to say sometimes. I'm like, do people understand or am I crazy or like, am I too technical? I don't get it. But yeah, there you go. That's small, short, sweet, not 1,000 rooms. I've been in Discords where they have like a set, like I showed you, I've joined Discords that have like, they charge $100, $200 and they have like a ton of, like, look at this guy. This guy has rooms out the wazoo, to put it nicely. Whereas I try to keep it, clean. And all of these have a point. Trade tracker. Let's see what shades is in. Oh, general chat. Let me just ask whatever. Let's just mess around or whatever. Patreon exclusives. Let me learn. Trading course. Let me learn. YouTube. Let's see what Shades is talking about today on YouTube. And the poker table. Let's see what's happening here. What is he buying? What is he talking about? What's the play? What's the next play? What's tomorrow's play? Etc. Etc. And then let's see alerts. What did he alert today? Like, and every night I will post trade ideas and report PDF. You click on that and then you open the file and there you go. You can see Shades trades and I'll talk about my favorite stocks. Hey, I will alert when I buy and sell SoundStag, Nvidia, Riot, Sybil, AITX. Those are the ones that I'm trading, that I'm focused on right now. I don't jump around a lot. I usually focus on a basket of like 3 to 6 stocks and then that's it. I just trade those, and then maybe in the future those change. That's just how it is for me. And I'll tell you, hey, here's where you buy, here's where you sell, here's your potential profit return. And I just do that for every stock that I see an opportunity in, whether it's Riot, RR, GME, Nvidia stock. I mean, RR, I told everyone, hey, buy under 240s, and it moved. Like you could have made like 20%. And it dumped in after hours, and I showed you that one guy. I don't know why he wasn't clearly he doesn't clearly this guy in my Discord is not putting in his best effort. Like he chased, and then he's complaining at 4:27 p.m. RR dropped so hard, and he's down negative what $200 or whatever the Euro American equivalent is. Like he wasn't paying attention. He was not paying attention to the poker table. He was not paying attention. Clearly, he's not reading the trade ideas and alerts because I even wrote in there like, "Hey, this is a buy under 240s, potential return of 20 to 50%. Stop at 2.18." Like I give you everything. So that's on him at that point. So that's like pay attention. That's something I learned today. People don't pay attention apparently. So there you go. Like this is serious, man. This is a business. We're trying to make money, and I believe I offer much more bang for your buck compared to the other guys. Like I'll get in a Discord call with you, and you can pick at my brain. I don't care. The more serious you are, the more you stand to gain, and you'll make the most out of this. Really, is what it comes down to. Like what you put in is what you get out. All right, guys. That's it. That's the. I know. I'm not talking very like relaxed and chill, but like this is a serious business, man. You better treat it like it is a business. It's a tough one, but you got me there to help you, so you should be able to succeed. But please pay attention. Don't be like that guy. I jumped in at the wrong time. Well, clearly you weren't paying attention, and that's on you at that point. Like clearly he does not download my PDFs at all, or even look at the poker table. It seems. So pay attention, listen, and exercise patience and discipline, and you will be rewarded. That is it for the video. As always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I will see you. Wait, no, wait. I take that back. What am I doing? This is a welcome video. So you don't have to hit no like and subscribe. This is just a welcome video. You just joined. So I'll see you in the Discord. Don't forget to send me your username so I can throw you the Discord link so you can join.